Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video about yen index and yen pairs and trades. So let's get started. Let me show you the first chart that I made on yen index. Is this? It's on the 7th October. It's a yen index weekly chart. Once we have reached to this area around 127, I said this from here. We may go to touch the 127 line or 58, 56, and that's why I have it marked like that. And then from there, we're gonna drop, right? And why? According to this chart here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we come down here for wave A, right? And if it is wave 3, then we're supposed to come down anyway for wave 4, right? Around 38% here of this whole move. So either way, for either this way or that way, we're supposed to come down. I think that it is wave A that we're supposed to come down. Wave 5, 5 waves are finished, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if that happens, if we get stopped here at 58, 56, and we start dropping, what will happen? All yen pairs will be going down also. So when yen index goes down, all yen pair, because the yen is always on the right hand side of each and every single pair. So this is what's supposed to happen, and what really happened as of today is this. Exactly what happened, and what I said, that it's going to go up a little bit, hit 127 level or 58, 56. So it did that, then it started reversing. Shooting star, the first candle, then a bullish candle, and the big black candle, and now current candle is this. This is a live chart here, right? So it's going on right now. So we're dropping. So then, how does it, it benefit me knowing that? Well, this is what it is. All yen pairs will be going down also. Were they? And are they going down right now? And if they are going down, did I take any trade? That's the question, right? That's the only good thing that we can do about it in this forex market, that take the trades, positive trades. So knowing that, I mentioned this when? On the 17th, that all yen pair will be going down, means that I will be taking short if I'm right? So what really happened after this? So Saturday, this is 17th was Friday. Then comes Saturday, Sunday, 19, 20, then 20. After 20, let's say after 20 October, what happened and what did I do with these yen pairs when they were going down? Did I take any short trades? So let's get started. On the 22nd October, Euro Yen short trade for 50 pip on all by my Magic Ivy system with the setup. Nothing is without the setup. Yellow is below the black. This indicates all the way up, making it high, lower high, and blue candle turns into red, and I take the trade. So on 22nd, pound yen for 110 pip. On 27, euro yen. That was the first one you saw. It retraced again. I took this one. I didn't take this one, but this one here, 70 pip. And you can see on the left the entry and the SL move to break it, right? So this is how it is. So now on the 2nd November, pound yen again. This is the one. See the trade I take, then it retraces, right? Then again start to drop, and then I get in. That's how the setup is. That's how its system works. So on the 2nd November, 125 pip to the downside. All the trades are to the downside and by the book with my proper setup. Nothing randomly. On the 4th, this is the only one that I took with the first one I just showed you was this from here to here, then it retraced. And the reason I took it from the 40-minute chart is because I was a little late on the 20-minute. So I figured that 40 minutes showing the same beautiful short setup, and I'm expecting a short that is going to drop. It's a short setup right there, right? Yellow is below the black, and it goes all the way up, lower high, and blue candle turns into red. Couple of red candles. I open the trade here. 200 pip drop all the way to this level. All right, that's on the 4th, and then all short. And this was the trade, but I kind of lost it. I don't have it. I don't have the chart, so I can't show it. But this is the one. The entry is right there, and for 55 pips. And after that, today, euro yen from here, gone. I had this one, but again, like I said, that sometimes if you don't close on time, it reverses, right? Okay, so that's happened. My SL was here, boom, it's gone. I made an entry again from here to here. It's not, the entry is yesterday, by the way, so you don't think that it's today. Today is right here. Today started here, so entry was yesterday. But sometimes these pairs have very small daily range, and for in order to get like 70, 80, 100 pip trade, you might have to wait or hold the trade for 2 days or 3 days. Some of those trades, but the pound Aussie, euro Aussie, pound yen, 1 day just in and out. Easily 1 day they give you 100 pips, 70, 80 pips, not a problem. But these are small moving trades, so they take some time. So this is how, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades for hundreds of pips just because of this chart. And it's not even finished yet. Okay, this is the current chart. So if we continue dropping, or maybe it will drop here next week, the whole week, drop, and then maybe we're gonna bounce, like wave A, B, or 1 and 2, and then 3 to the downside, something like that. Just like here. So it dropped here, and they went up, and then again dropped, then it went up again, then it went, this is how it is. Here again, right? It dropped, and then it went up. So now we have this drop here, and let's see, there is no level to stop it here, so maybe it will come down all the way to 57.24 before bouncing, and then going back up to 58.08 maybe, and then drop, something like that. But this is the beauty of watching the index, that you have several trades, or several trades in several pairs in hand, and you literally have to pick and choose which one do you really like. And then so all these trades, you have maybe 6 or 7 yen pairs, right? So this is how it works. And similarly, the US dollar index, I'm going to make a next video for US dollar index, showing that how systematically and step by step I was watching the index and was able to predict the direction in the different USD pairs. It becomes very easy if you do it systematically. So this is it for now. And if you want to learn all of this mumbo jumbo, and then taking the trades, the system, you can go on my website, myfirstmagicwave.com, and subscribe. And today is Friday. You have weekend. Get your charts, get your system, and set up the charts and start learning this way. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.